Uganda now total more than 125 million US dollars. Our support to Uganda is not only limited to emergency assistance, but also extended to development assistance. In fact, Japan has been supporting the development of Uganda in the foreign and make a significant difference in the border security of this country as well. Contributing $1 million to IOM is just one example of Japanese emergency assistance. This year, Japan is extending a total of $8.8 million to 6 multilateral organizations, such as HCR, WFP, UNICEF, and IOM, for the humanitarian and emergency assistance. With this assistance from Japan, the 6 organizations will provide essential goods and services for refugees and vulnerable people in Uganda. Japan highly commends and appreciates the contribution made by Uganda for the stability, peace, and prosperity in the region through such various diplomatic endeavors as hosting millions of refugees seeking asylum from neighboring countries over the decade, sending Uganda forces to AMISOM in Somalia, offering the UN its support based for peacekeeping operations in this region, and playing the mediation role for resolution of Eastern DRC conflict.
For the multi-sectoral approach to this management of borders, a number of agencies are represented here. The borders, we cannot control it alone as immigration, but we need the support of other stakeholders. And it is great that this multi-sectoral approach has been initiated. Again, let me thank the government of Japan for allocating the $1 million for strengthening border management in Uganda. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to inform you the government of Japan is the only government I know that has a framework of cooperation with African countries. As His Excellency said, the TICAD process. TICAD is the Tokyo International Conference for African Development. It's a framework their government set up 20 years ago. They meet once every 2 years with the African leaders to see how they can cooperate together on the priorities of these African countries in view of these challenges we face in transnational crime around the world. Let me also pledge my government and my ministry's continued support and cooperation to both the International Organization for Migration and to the government of Japan, that we will do our best to make sure that this program, this project is taken and successfully implemented. With these few remarks, may I therefore take this opportunity to declare the project for strengthening border management launched for God and my country.
Newly started Nile Bridge. Agricultural development, basic human needs such as rural water supply, and better health services, and the northern Uganda recovery and reconstruction. Through this